What is going on, everyone? Happy Saturday. Figured I'd do a quick Bitcoin update for you guys before we head into the long weekend for some of you guys. So, let's get started. So, starting off with Bitcoin, let's see what we're working with here. All right, we have the daily origin level. Let's go to the 4-hour time frame and see how that. Okay, perfect. So it acted as support. I think we discussed that on the last update. What was once a resistance now became a support, and as you can see, once it broke below it, it resulted in the downfall in the next pretty much the support, which here is aligned with this daily, the weekly, and then locally a 4-hour uptrend. Okay, so let's go back to the daily. We can delete this daily now. Okay, so now we're working with a daily resistance and a daily support. There's also a weekly and another weekly there. Perfect. Okay, we have this a downtrend that's still valid. It hasn't been broken yet, right? So this is going to act as suppression in the future, but it's a good thing that it's, retesting this downtrend. So at this point, we are just going to leave all these levels. Really not much we can mark besides this daily over here. All right, perfect. Okay, that narrows down the space even more. Um, and yeah, let's leave that for now there for now. Let's go to the 4-hour, see how that's looking on a more local time frame. All right. Okay, so well, if you guys want to be exact here, and if we're trading on the 4-hour, right, I'm gonna make sure this visibility stays on the 4-hour. Okay, cool. All right. Um, and then we have a 4-hour level right here. Test it as well. Okay, we're gonna mark our next 4-hour level right there. Make sure that visibility is on only on the hourly. Great. And then we're gonna narrow down even here. Okay, perfect. So that's the local breakout. Okay, great. I mean, if you guys want, you can continue evolving this, but ultimately, move that there. That's tested. So ultimately, you have this very, very localized apex where, if it loses this uptrend, it's going to go to the 4-hour or maybe even back down here. So very, very local to use if you guys want to know. If you're like day trading, yeah, day trading or swing trading, just something to keep in mind about is that we do have a very local 4-hour uptrend. If that breaks, most likely this bar is going to hold, and you have this next apex there, and then you have pretty much the following apexes right there. So it's up to you guys if you want to while it's in distribution here, you can either enter an accumulation on this uptrend, or you can find accumulation on here, or even this daily, even down back to this 4-hour level. However, if this does retest this level here, it wouldn't be a good sign because then that would set itself up to, maybe break below here. So what we want to see is a continuous higher lows, whether that be here, here, or even on this weekly. Yeah, all of these are respectable supports and is not wrong to accumulate in. Okay, so either you can wait. Here we go. It's the resistance there. Last green candle before that downtrend. So either you can wait until it falls and retraces a bit down back to this uptrend. If you do accumulate it on this uptrend, be mindful that if it does break, it's gonna go down to this 4-hour. And because this 4 is already tested, I wouldn't I wouldn't be hesitant to even put some buys around this accumulation area here, whether that be this daily, the weekly, or even this 4-hour. Again, really up to you guys. But here, I think what we're going to see is ultimately a lead up to get closer to this daily uptrend. I think that's more of like the macro picture of things for Bitcoin to move sideways, aka accumulation, until it hits this daily uptrend, because that's the macro uptrend that hopefully it'll use to break into a new all-time high. So that's still a lot of time, guys. Actually, not too much time. June 2nd, so a little more than a week. So um, yeah, that's the pretty much the Bitcoin update. Nothing really has changed. We updated a few lines and and evolved some trend lines, but that's pretty much all, guys. So yeah, just want to make sure you guys stay up to date. And yeah, I will see you guys on the altcoin update. Bye.